Hi guys, it's Betsy. Yeah, it's just, I don't know. So today, I was thinking I might want to show you my fidgets. I've collected lots since last time. I only started with this one. Let's just find it. This one. And I've got like 32 now. I've got millions for Christmas. I've got millions for my birthday. So, yeah. So, do you want to see my colouring book? If you do, here it is. And I've just coloured some of it. Sprinkle. What's that? Goes coloured. Right, let's crack in with the video. So, first fidget is my Among Us puppet. It's got good pops, good sound. My next puppet, I love this one. It's a Santa hat. This is my Christmas Eve box. Well, Santa, I don't know. And I got millions. Next puppet is my butterfly. Fly, fly away, butterfly. Next puppet, my favourite one, is a horse. It's got nice fast side. I don't like it that much. I'm going on to my massive puppet. Just going to start saying my small puppets are this little love heart keychain and well, this is not really, but it's a fidget spinner that lights up in the dark and it's got pops on. Next one is my unicorn one. It's got good pops too. So next one is my Among Us. Yeah, this is Mummy missing. Really loud, like screams. So I think that's from all of them. Yeah. Now moving on to stress balls, but Nidos, I don't know. So my first Nido is this orange one. You squish it, it turns white. I did have another Nido, but it broke. Oh. So, Nido. Next Nido, my blue Nido. I've got two of these, but I don't know where the other one's gone. It squishes pink to pink. Next Nido is the one me and my granddad made. It's this pink one with water inside. When you squish it, it like got little fruits and things in it, you know. I put all them in. Is that all? Yeah. Now moving on to squishies. My Rubik's Cube squishy. It's broke. My sister bit it and broke it. But moving on to infinity cubes. I've got another infinity cube. Let's go get it. I've got two more. One. It's massive. I could turn into a star. Next one. That one. Pop tubes. Got a green pop tube. Next is fidget spinner. I love these. Oh. Next is a puzzle ball. Gotta try to get the colours. So this green. Gotta try to get it into its green. Oh, go. Snappers. That's my snapper. Next is slinkies. I've got one slinky. Brum, brum. Where's the camera? Brum. boing, boing, boing. I don't think. We're moving on to little squishies. I've got 2 little squishies. And there they are. A lamb and a little dinosaur. Look how cute they are. 2 more last fidgets. I've got a pop bracelet. And a pea popper. So yeah. And I need to show you something. Let's just go get it. I won't be there waiting for you long. I'm giving out 3 bracelets. This one says Happy Holidays. If you want one, if you're looking, go put it in comments, yeah? Right. So, I think that's near to the end. So I hope you had a good time and have a good and happy new year. I'm going to try to upload every day, maybe tomorrow or some more videos today, what else do I need to say? Oh, and comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. And if we do that, our channel will go viral and we'll be uploading major videos. Bye! See you soon!